Good evening viewers, I am Venugopal, Department of Commerce. This is Vidyalakshmi YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the 12th Accountancy Chapter 3 Basic Concept Fundamental for Partnership Firm. In this topic, today we are going to discuss the capital. In our partnership, they are having the two important capital as there. One is fixed capital, another one is fluctuating capital. So, fixed capital we are preparing two important ledgers are there. One is based on capital introduce an additional or permanent withdraw. Based on that we preparing one ledger. Another one is other than the entries of current account we entered the current account. So, we are preparing two important ledger. One is capital account ledger, another one is current account ledger. And second method is fluctuating method. So, in this fluctuating method we are using only one ledger including capital also, including capital additional, then after permanent any withdrawal is there we can use this in this topic of capital account. Okay. Now, we will see I show the sums based on sums. Now, we go for the fixed capital method. So, Arun and Selvam are partners who maintain their capital accounts under the fixed capital method. So, we are preparing the following particulars capital account and current account now we are preparing. So, this is the given the values. For our first one is given the capital of Arun. So, the January 1st both the partners capital Arun 2,20,000 and Selvam 1,50,000. Then current account January introduced for 4,250 debit side and 10,000 credit side. Then additional capital introduced during the year. Then Arun is nil and Selvam is 70,000. The next one withdrawn for personal use. Then Arun withdraw 10,000 and Selvam withdraw rupees 20,000. Interest on drawing. Then Arun 750 and Selvam 600. Then share of profit 22,000 Arun and 15,000 Selvam. Interest on capital 1,100 Arun and 750 Selvam. Then commission received only for Arun 6,900. Salary received only for Selvam 6,850. So, based on in this exercise sums, now we will do the sums. We are preparing the two ledgers. First one is we open for our capital account. What are the additional capital is there? What are the introduced capital is there? We will see now the entries. Okay. Now, I open the write the ledger name. Capital account of Mr. Arun and Selvam particulars rupees particulars DR and CR. So, whenever we are opening the capital account, first we have to go to the opening capital for the both the partners. Now, we are both the partners name also there. I will write it here. The partner names are Arun, Selvam, Arun, Selvam. Now, we can write the values for the partners capital account. Whenever the capital always will be appear in your partners capital account credit side. Write the name here by balance BD. Now, we will see the values here. 2,20,000 Arun and Selvam 1,50,000. So, 2,20,000 Arun, 1,50,000 Selvam. Right. Next, we will go the next heading for by additional capital. So, he introduced additional capital. Both the partners mean we can write the name by bank. by bank account. Now we will see the value. Additional introduced. The Arun, he didn't introduce anything. Selvam only introduced rupees 70,000. So he didn't introduce anything. 70,000 introduced for Selvam. So in this question, there is no permanent withdrawing amount is not there. Now we can close the value for the partner's capital account. 2,20,000. Then here also 2,20,000. These value transferred to debit side. Arun value 2,20,000. Then Selvam value 2,20,000. Now here we can close the value, again write it here, to balance CD. $2,20,000, then Selvam 2,20,000. So this value transferred to next year opening balance by balance BD 2,20,000, then after 2,20,000. So this is the capital account for our partners capital account fixed base. Now we will move on the next ledger for current account. Current account of Mr. Arun and Selvam. Particulars Arun, Selvam, particulars Arun rupees, Selvam rupees. Okay. Now we created for the current account of Mr. Arun and Selvam account. So in this current account, debit side what are the items will be appear me drawings, interest on drawing, any loss items are will be appear here, and credit side will be appear for the name of interest on capital, then after salary, then after commission, then after share of profit value will be appear. Now we will see in this sum the remaining headings other than capital, what are the values will be appear the adjusting entry in our capital current account. Okay. Now you see the current account opening, debit side 4,250 Arun and credit side Selvam account 10,000. So now we will move Arun account debit side 4,250 to balance BD. Now we will move on credit side by balance BD Selvam 10,000. Right. Now we will move on the next. Withdrew for personal use 10,000, 20,000. Withdrew for personal use 10,000, 20,000. So drawings will be move on the partner's current account debit side. So write the name here to drawings. 10,000, 20,000. Right. Next, interest on drawing 750, 600. So interest on drawing will be appear debit side. Interest on drawing 750, 600. Okay, we entered the entry. Next, share of profit end of the year 2018, 22,000 Arun, 15,000 Selvam. By share of profit 22,000 Arun and 15,000 Selvam. Okay. Next, we will move on the next value. Interest on capital 1,100 and 750. $1,100, 750. Okay. Next, we will move on commission. Only received Arun 6,900. Arun received by commission 6,900. Selvam, he didn't receive anything. Next, salary received only for Selvam 6,850. So salary received 6,850 by salary. So now we entered all the entries. Now we can close the value for our both the side. Which side excess values are there? Based on that we can close the value, right? Now we will check it here. 10,000, 25,000, 10,000, 25,000, 31, 32, 550. 32, 550. Then here 22, 23, then 29, 24,000. Now we transfer to here 24,000, here 32,550. So we can less the value for the debit side value 10,000, 14,000, 15,000 totally. So 15,000 left mean you will get remaining balance 9,000. Write the name here to balance CD value for 9,000 received from the Arun. Now we will move on Selvam. So 20,600. So 20,600 means we will take it here 20,600. So 0, then 5, then 9, 1, 1. 11,950. 11,950 received for the amount for the current account to balance CD. Say these value transferred to next month opening balance by balance BD. Arun 9,000, Selvam 11,950. Okay, my dear students. So, my dear viewers, today we are discussed the topic of here. Today the two headings are there. One is we are finished capital account, opening, additional and permanent. Based on that we finished one sum for our capital account. Next we will started the current account. Based on current account we open other than introduce capital, opening capital, what are other entries are there, we are adjusted in the adjusting entry for our current account. Okay. So, today we are discussed in this first method for our fixed capital method. So, next session we will see the fluctuating capital method, how to prepare the partnership capital account. Okay. Thank you. If you like, share the video, like the video and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.